Okay, what we have here is the Congreve clock, and I'm going to have to take it apart and clean it because it has a fairly lethargic action right now. I mean, I'm able to really tweak the escapement back here to get to run for a day or two, but then something will cause it to stop. So I think it just doesn't have enough torque over here to make things happen. So I want to go ahead and clean it and see if that does the trick. Okay, so we're starting to take the plates off this thing. I'm just taking a quick video so that I can document how it goes back together. Yeah, pretty cool. And there, if I get this mechanical terminology right, the pivots are pretty grungy, but they're definitely not out of round because I don't think this clock had many hours on it. These things tend to be, toys. They they aren't that accurate, which is fine because you get to watch a marble roll back and forth for 8 days. Okay, we'll continue with the disassembly. Okay, this is the Congreve clock after I completed cleaning, lubrication, and adjustment. As you can see, it's running much smoother than before, and everything is clunking away just fine. I got the plexiglass cover for it as well because I think a big failure mode would be dust getting into the gears and slowing it down. But this thing is now moving much better than it was. I even buffed the slots there to allow the ball to move faster, and I picked a smaller brass ball than I had ever used before as well. The key behind this escapement is you need to adjust it so that it's on a hair trigger. That's the key. I mean, it's got to just be the slightest touch has to kick it over. Otherwise, you'll have trouble. Plus, I'm running this thing outside in cold temperatures where it gets cold at night in my garage, and the metals change shape and whatnot, and the oils get thicker, and they don't want to move quite as much. So it's running quite nicely right now.